Today, I'll show you how to clear your Google Cloud storage. Whether you're looking to free up space, streamline your cloud storage, or simply manage your files more effectively, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. Clearing out unnecessary files can help optimize your storage costs and make it easier to find the files you actually need. Let's dive right in and simplify your Google Cloud storage management. First, you'll need to open Cloud Storage. To do this, navigate to the Google Cloud Console. You can do this by simply typing Google Cloud Console into your web browser and logging in with your Google account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard of the Google Cloud Console. Here, you'll find a variety of services and tools that Google Cloud offers. To specifically access your storage, look for the navigation menu, which is usually located on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on Storage to open Cloud Storage. This is where all your data is stored, and from here, you'll be able to manage your files and buckets. Now that you're in Cloud Storage, the next step is to select the bucket containing the files you want to clear. Buckets in Google Cloud Storage are like folders that help you organize your data. You'll see a list of all the buckets you've created. If you have many buckets, you can use the search function at the top to quickly find the one you're looking for. Once you've located the right bucket, click on it to view its contents. This will take you to a new page where all the files within that specific bucket are displayed. You'll notice that the files are listed similarly to how they appear on your computer, complete with file names and sizes. With the bucket open, it's time to select the files you wish to delete. Carefully review the list and identify the files you no longer need. You can select multiple files at once by holding down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac as you click on each file. Be mindful of what you're selecting to ensure you don't accidentally delete anything important. If you're not sure about certain files, it's a good idea to double-check their contents or download them locally before proceeding. Once you've selected all the files you want to clear out, you're ready to move on to the final step. Finally, with your files selected, it's time to delete them. Look for the Delete button, which is usually located at the top of the file list or sometimes as an option in a menu. Click Delete, and you'll likely see a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you will want to proceed. This is a safeguard to prevent accidental deletions, so take a moment to confirm that you've selected the correct files. Upon confirming, the files will be permanently removed from your Google Cloud storage, freeing up space and helping you keep your storage organized. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to clear your Google Cloud storage. By following these steps, you can easily manage your cloud storage and ensure it's being used efficiently. Regularly clearing out unnecessary files can make a big difference in keeping your digital space tidy and cost-effective. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in managing your Google Cloud storage. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to check out our other guides for more tips on optimizing your cloud experience.